This is a drawing of a poolside house. In it, I want to fill in some hatch patterns over here in this wall. So I will come up and choose a hatch. And first I will choose a hatch pattern of my choice and will pick an internal point where I want to fill the pattern. And as you can also notice that the appearance is not like the way that you want. What we can do at this point is we can change the scale of the hatch pattern by coming to the properties panel and changing the value. And when I bring my cursor back inside the wall, it has started showing. Now I will click. Notice the hatch is created on a wrong layer. I will create a layer for the hatch and put this hatch on its layer. This is the correct way to manage your drawing so that the workflow remains smooth throughout. Even after creating the hatch pattern, if you are not satisfied with its appearance, you can select it and edit it afterwards. You can change its layers or its transparency, its angle or scale. You can even change the pattern.